Let's face it, pitching for funding can be a grind. The endless presentations, the rejections, the constant hustle. It's enough to make any founder question their sanity. But what if I told you there's a better way? Some founders seem to attract funding effortlessly. Investors come knocking on their doors, eager to invest. What's their secret? They've cracked the code of the investor magnet funnel. This isn't about luck or connections. It's about building a system that showcases your startup's potential in a way that resonates with investors. It's about making your startup impossible to ignore. Imagine a world where you spend less time pitching and more time building. That's the power of the investor magnet funnel. Are you ready to build yours? The investor magnet funnel isn't just a fancy term, it's a powerful tool. Think of it as a carefully crafted journey for potential investors. It guides them from initial awareness of your startup to a compelling investment decision. At its core, the funnel optimizes two crucial aspects: discovery and conversion. First, it ensures your startup gets seen by the right investors, cutting through the noise of the startup world. Then it systematically presents your vision, milestones, and traction in a way that compels investors to take action. It's about building trust, demonstrating potential, and ultimately securing the funding you need to scale. Your investor magnet funnel stands strong on 5 essential elements. Each element plays a crucial role in attracting and converting investors. First, the obsession signal. Start by grabbing their attention. What problem are you obsessed with solving? Why are you uniquely positioned to solve it? Your obsession is contagious. Let it draw investors in. Second, the big vision. Paint a picture of the future. What's the world going to look like when you succeed? Investors don't just buy into products, they buy into world-changing visions. Third, the de-risked milestone map. Show them the path to success. Break down your journey into clear, achievable milestones. Investors gain confidence when they see a well-defined roadmap. Fourth, proof of motion. Back up your claims with evidence. Early traction, customer testimonials, and market validation are your weapons against skepticism. Show, don't just tell. Finally, the clear capital ask. Be specific about your funding needs and how you'll use the capital. Investors appreciate transparency and a clear plan for their investment. Building a high-converting investor magnet funnel doesn't have to be a daunting task. With the right tools, you can streamline the process and achieve exceptional results. First, there's Prompt King Trademark. This powerful tool helps you craft compelling narratives that resonate with investors. Generate attention-grabbing headlines, craft persuasive pitch decks, and tell your startup story in a way that captivates. Next, the Funnel Template Pack. Get a head start with pre-built funnel templates designed specifically for startups seeking funding. These templates incorporate best practices and proven strategies to maximize your conversion rates. Then, AEO Rank Booster Prompts. Boost your visibility in search and AI engines with optimized content. These prompts guide you in creating content that ranks higher, ensuring your startup gets seen by more potential investors. Finally, CapitalAscend AI Coach. Get personalized guidance every step of the way. This AI-powered coach analyzes your progress, provides tailored recommendations, and helps you optimize your funnel for maximum impact.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Step-by-step blueprint, crafting your investor magnet funnel. Now that you understand the essential elements and have the right tools at your disposal, let's dive into the step-by-step process of building your investor magnet funnel. First, craft your obsession hook. Begin by defining your obsession signal. What problem keeps you up at night? Why are you the one to solve it? Distill this into a concise and compelling statement that hooks investors from the get-go. Next, articulate your big vision. Paint a vivid picture of the future you're creating. How will your solution impact the world? What's the ultimate potential of your startup? Inspire investors with a bold and audacious vision. Then, map out your milestones. Break down your journey into clear and achievable milestones. What key achievements will demonstrate progress and de-risk your venture? A well-defined roadmap builds investor confidence. After that, showcase your proof of motion. Gather evidence to support your claims. This could include early traction metrics, customer testimonials, market validation data, or strategic partnerships. Quantifiable proof is crucial for converting skeptical investors. Finally, define your capital ask. Be specific about the amount of funding you need and how you plan to allocate the capital. Investors appreciate transparency and a clear understanding of how their investment will be utilized. Supercharge your visibility, harnessing the power of AEO. In today's digital age, ensuring your startup gets seen by the right investors is paramount. This is where AEO, or algorithmic engine optimization, comes into play. AEO involves optimizing your online presence to rank higher in search results and gain visibility through AI-powered platforms. By using relevant keywords, creating high-quality content, and building authoritative backlinks, you can significantly amplify your reach. Think of AEO as a beacon, guiding investors to your doorstep. By incorporating AEO best practices into your funnel's design and content, you ensure that your startup stands out from the crowd and attracts the attention it deserves. 1 hour to funding freedom recap and timeline. Building a high-converting investor magnet. Funnel doesn't have to be a time-consuming endeavor. With the right approach and tools, you can create a powerful funnel in under an hour. Here's a quick recap of the process. 15 minutes to define your obsession signal and articulate your big vision. 15 minutes to map out your key milestones and gather proof of motion. 15 minutes to define your capital, ask and craft a compelling narrative. 15 minutes to optimize your content for AEO and ensure your funnel is discoverable. By following this streamlined process and leveraging the power of tools like Prompt King Trademark and CapitalAscend AI Coach, you can significantly reduce the time and effort required to build a funnel that delivers results. Build your funnel, secure your future. Take action today. The investor magnet funnel is more than just a concept. It's a proven framework for securing funding and propelling your startup to success. By implementing the strategies outlined in this essay, you can transform your funding journey from a struggle into a streamlined process. Don't wait for investors to find you. Take control of your destiny. Utilize the tools and resources available through CapitalAscend on zingthis.com and build your investor magnet funnel today. The future of your startup depends on it. The old way of communicating with customers is dead. People are tired of being bombarded by generic emails that don't relate to them or give them the answers they need. If you've ever struggled with CRM systems that promise the world but deliver headaches, if you've hired people to follow up with leads only to see them leave once they're trained, if you've watched potential sales disappear because you couldn't maintain consistent follow-up, you're not alone. Most businesses convert less than 5% of their leads on the first contact, with another 25 to 30% potentially buying later, if they're followed up with properly. This is where Zing This Lead Viper changes everything. Lead Viper is not just another email tool, it's an agentic AI system, which means it doesn't just answer questions, it takes action. It's specifically designed to engage with your leads, provide them with personalized information, and guide them toward making informed decisions. Lead Viper creates genuine one-to-one conversations with your leads. Every email is uniquely written for each recipient, not just the same templated message with their name inserted. This personalized approach generates open rates of over 40%. That's 5 times the industry average. Lead Viper works 24/7, never gets tired, never quits, and maintains the same level of enthusiasm with the first lead as with the 1,000th. It can book appointments directly to your calendar or drive traffic to your landing pages for direct sales. And it follows up persistently, not aggressively. This Lead Viper nurtures your leads until they're ready to make a decision. Visit zingthis.com for more information and revolutionize your customer communication today.